Hello, this is Dr. Robert Lemon. I'm a professional speaker and award-winning author, and I've spoken at numerous educational institutions, universities, and high schools. I want to share with you the importance of education. It's better to have it and not need it than need it and not have it. If you need a speaker to come in and do faculty as well as your students and staff, then I'm available. Here are a few of the testimonials, and I hope you enjoy them.
Douglas Newton, and I'm the freshman class president of Medgar Evers College, and I heard Dr. Lemon spoke, and he was great. And it was so awesome to have him here at Medgar Evers, and I thank him very much. Thank you, Dr. Lemon.
I had the pleasure of listening to Dr. Lemon's speech. I didn't know about him before, but I can tell you I walked away, and the students that I brought to our event today were moved in ways that I hadn't seen before. So I know that what he says resonates with them, resonated with me, and will make a difference in the lives of anyone he speaks to.
Thank you, Dr. Lemon, for coming to Palm Beach State College. I'd like to thank you for coming a second time. In fact, we're even thinking about bringing you back a third time. The students really enjoyed your presentation. They enjoyed the way you motivated them. They enjoyed the way you got them engaged. I would encourage all who haven't heard Dr. Lemon to come. Invite him to your campus, invite him to your facility, and I guarantee you will not be disappointed.
Dr. Lemon's seminar here at Palm Beach State College was simply amazing. It was outstanding. Students thoroughly enjoyed it, and I did myself, and I'm thrilled to hopefully have him come again to our campus and visit our other campuses.
Hi, this is Dr. Robert Lemon. I'm at Palm Beach State, and now is your time.
I was inspired today by Dr. Lemon, who spoke to our students and staff about his story, and we appreciate hearing the inspirational poetry that he gave to us today. It was beautiful, and the message was really true to his heart, and hit home here with us at, in Eagle Country.
Hi, this is Ryan Danforth at Broward College Central Campus, and I'm here with Dr. Lemon. He just finished his speech talking about your time is now, and it was probably the most wonderful thing I've heard this afternoon.
Lemon at Broward College Central. I want everybody to know that now is your time. Now that you've heard testimonials from educational institutions and those faculty, I'm looking forward to coming to your school very soon. Remember, education is better to have it and not need it than need it and not have it. And my topics are leadership, diversity, and time management. See you real soon. God bless you.